നമസ്കാരം, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ഡി ഫാർമസി ഡിസ്കഷൻ. എക്സാമൊക്കെ നന്നായിട്ട് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. ആരും ഫീഡ്ബാക്സ് ഒന്നും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കണ്ടില്ല. സോ 2020 നവംബർ 4 നടന്ന ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 PSC എക്സാമിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ വീഡിയോയ്ക്ക് താഴെ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഡിപ്ലോമ കാൻഡിഡേറ്റ്സിന് ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ളൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പാറ്റേൺ എത്രത്തോളം സഹായകരമായി എന്നുള്ളത് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായം പ്രതിഷേധമാണെങ്കിലും അല്ലെങ്കിലും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇന്ന് ഈ കഴിഞ്ഞ നവംബർ 4 നടന്ന ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വായിച്ച് ആൻസേഴ്സ് പറഞ്ഞു പോകാം. എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയാത്തവർക്കും ഇനിയൊരു എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നവർക്കും അത് ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ളത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കോഡ് D ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് ചെക്ക് ഔട്ട് ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. Question number 1. Drugs which help in eliminating exudations from bronchi are known as option A. Emetics, B. Expectorants, C. Astringents and D. Cathartics. Correct answer is option B. Expectorants. Then question number 2. Calcium gluconate is assayed by option A. Acid-base titration, B. Redox titration, C. Complexometric titration and D. Non-aqueous titration. Correct answer is option C. Complexometric titration. Then question number 3. Chlorinated lime and boric acid solution is known as option A. Usol, B. Lysol, C. Lugol solution and D. Dakin's solution. Correct answer is option A. Usol. Question number 4. Bleaching powder is option A. Chlorinated lime, B. Soda lime, C. Sodium bicarbonate and option D. Calcium carbonate. Correct answer is option A. Chlorinated lime. Question number 5. Nutritional deficiency of calcium leads to option A. Hypercalcemia, B. Hypokalemia, C. Hypocalcemia and option D. Hyponatremia. Correct answer is option C. Hypocalcemia. Question number 6. The unequal distribution of color on the surface of the tablet is known as option A. Orange peel effect, option B. Twinning, C. Bloom and option D. Mottling. Correct answer is option D. Mottling. Then question number 7. Which among the following material is used for enteric coating of tablet? Option A. Cellulose acetate phthalate, B. Hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, C. Methyl hydroxy ethyl cellulose and option D. Polyethylene glycol. Correct answer is option A. Cellulose acetate phthalate. Question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ വീഡിയോസിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. Then question number 8. The flow properties of the granules from hopper to dye of the tablet machine is improved by the addition of option A. Disintegratants, B. Binders, C. Glidants and D. Diluents. Correct answer is option C. Glidants. Then 9. Which among the following capsule number represent the maximum capacity of the capsule? Option A. 000, B. 5, C. 4 and D. 0. Correct answer is option A. 000. Question number 10. The plasticizer used in capsule shell is option A. Silicones, B. Glycol ester, C. Talc and D. Glycerol. Correct answer is option D. Glycerol. Question number 11. Caustic soda is option A. Sodium hydroxide, B. Sodium chloride, C. Sodium carbonate and option D. Sodium bicarbonate. Correct answer is option A. Sodium hydroxide. Question number 8, 9, 10 and 11 ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. Question number 12. Which among the following preparation is used as a source of iodine in iodine deficiency? Option A. Weak iodine solution, B. Strong iodine solution, C. Aqueous iodine solution and D. Iodine tincture. Correct answer is option C. Aqueous iodine solution. Then question number 13. In the assay of boric acid, glycerin is added to boric acid to option A. Dissolve boric acid, B. Increase basicity, C. Increase acidity and D. Decrease acidity. Correct answer is option C. Increase acidity. Question number 14. In cyanide poisoning, sodium nitrite is used as an antidote along with which compound? Option A, sodium metabisulfite, B, sodium thiocyanate, C, potassium iodide, and option D, sodium thiosulfate. Correct answer is option D, sodium thiosulfate. Then question number 15, an antiseptic solution generally used for cleaning wounds and ear is option A, hydrogen peroxide solution, B, Lugol's solution, C, ammonia solution, and option D, potassium permanganate solution. Correct answer is option A, hydrogen peroxide solution. Then question number 16, in radiation sterilization, the gamma rays were obtained from option A, cobalt 60, B, iodine 131, C, gold 198, and option D, selenium 80. Correct answer is option A, cobalt 60. Question number 17, which among the following method is used for the sterilization of surgical dressings? Option A, dry heat sterilization, B, moist heat sterilization, C, gaseous sterilization, and option D, radiation sterilization. Correct answer is option B, moist heat sterilization. Question number 18, which among the following method represents the chemical cold sterilization method? Option A, sterilization using gases, option B, sterilization by filtration, option C, sterilization using radiation, and option D, sterilization using moist heat. Correct answer is option A, sterilization using gases. Then question number 19, the membrane filters used for sterilization has the pore size of. Correct answer is option B. Then question number 20, the optimum moisture content of the capsule shell is ranged between option A, 12 to 15%, B, 2 to 6%, C, 8 to 12%, and option D, 18 to 22%. Correct answer is option A, 12 to 15%. Again, question number 14, 16, 17 and 19 are also discussed in the preparation classes. Then question number 21, which of the following is the substitute of cinchona bark? Correct answer is option A, cuprea bark. Then question number 22, senna consists of the option A, dried leaflets of Cassia auriculata, belongs to the family Liliaceae. Option B, dried leaflets of Cassia acutifolia, belong to the family Leguminosae. And option C, dried leaflets of Cassia fistula, belong to the family Liliaceae. Then option D, dried leaflets of Cassia auriculata, belong to the family Leguminosae. Correct answer is option B, dried leaflets of Cassia acutifolia, belong to the family Leguminosae. Then question number 23, gum resin derived from the incision given on the stem of Commiphora muggle is option A, myrrh, B, benzoin, C, tolu, and option D, Google. Correct answer is option D, Google. Question number 24, which of the following is the purest form of Asafoetida? Correct answer is option C, that is a paste and a tear. Question number 25, raw opium that has been treated to render it for smoking and that contain about 80% of morphine is known as option A, poppy straw, B, hemp, C, opium residue, and option D, prepared opium. Correct answer is option D, prepared opium. Question number 26, the sediment consists of loosely packed particles possessing a scaffolding like structure is seen in option A, flocculated suspension, B, Newtonian suspensions, option C, non-flocculated suspension, and option D, all the above. Correct answer is option A, flocculated suspensions. Question number 27, which of the following is used as an antiperspirant? Option A, selenium sulfide, B, aluminum chlorohydrate, option C, sodium lauryl sulfate, and option D, triethanolamine. Correct answer is option B, aluminum chlorohydrate. 28, example for a cationic emulsifying agent. Correct answer is option C, cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. 29, intravenous administration of calories, nitrogen and other nutrients in sufficient quantities to achieve tissue synthesis is called option A, IV admixtures, B, IV fluids, C, total oral nutrition, and option D, total parenteral nutrition. And the correct answer is option D, total parenteral nutrition. Okay, again question number 21, 22, 23, Then 26 and 28 are also discussed in the preparation classes. Question number 30. Depilatories are used as? Correct answer is option A, hair removers. Question number 31. Cuprolline test is used for the identification of option A, alloimodine, option B, arabinose, C, allosin, and option D, isobarbaloin. Correct answer is option D, isobarbaloin. Question number 32. Give an example of antidiabetic drug. Option A, piclorhiza, B, tirocarpus, C, punarnava, and option D, ipica. Correct answer is option B, tirocarpus. Question number 33. Reagent used in ergotoxin test. Correct answer is option C, paradimethyl aminobenzaldehyde, sulfuric acid and ferric chloride. 34. Rhubarb belongs to the family. Option A, Rhamnaceae, B, Polygonaceae, C, Rosaceae, and option D, Combretaceae. Correct answer is option B, Polygonaceae. Question number 35. Steroid found in the flowers and the leaves of Digitalis purpura. Option A, digoxygenin, option B, digitoxos, option C, digitalos, and option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, digoxygenin. Question number 36. Surfactants having HLB value between 7 and 9 are option A, anti-foaming agent, B, water and oil type emulsifying agents, C, wetting agents, and option D, detergents. Correct answer is option C, wetting agents. Question number 37. Water attack test is used for the detection of option A, type 2 glass, B, type 1 glass, option C, type 3 glass, and option D, type NP glass. Correct answer is option A, type 2 glass. Question number 38. Give an example of indiffusible solid. Option A, light kaolin, B, phenolphthalein, C, aromatic chalk powder, and option D, light magnesium carbonate. Correct answer is option C, aromatic chalk powder. Then question number 39. Green color cap coating is used for packing of ophthalmic products containing option A, non-steroids, B, steroids, C, mydriatics, and option D, myotics. Correct answer is option D, myotics. Question number 40. Give an example of cryoprotectants used in parenterals. Option A, 280, B, polyethylene glycol, C, propyl para hydroxyl benzoate, and option D, span 20. Correct answer is option B, polyethylene glycol. Again, question number 30, 31, 32, and 34, 36 are also discussed in the preparation classes. Question number 41. Which butyraphenone compound with therapeutic action and use are similar to phenothiazine? Option A, haloperidol, B, chlorpromazine, option C, diazepam, and option D, lorazepam. Correct answer is option A, haloperidol. Question number 42. Which form of adrenaline is having the maximum biological activity? Option A, dextro, B, levo, C, cis, and option D, trans. Correct answer is option B, levo. Then question number 43. Which salt of hyoscine is most stable and popularly accepted? Option A, methonitrate, option B, butyl bromide, option C, hydrobromide, and option D, methobromide. Correct answer is option B, butyl bromide. Question number 44. The substitute position of chlorine in chlorothiazide diuretic is? Correct answer is option A, 6. 45. The anti-neoplastic drug containing pyrimidine nucleus. Option A, cisplatin, B, busulfan, C, mitomycin, and option D, fluorouracil. Correct answer is option D, fluorouracil. Then 46. Which of the following is not a second generation antihistamine? Option A, asthamisol, B, promethazine, C, cetirizine, and option D, loratadine. Correct answer is option B, promethazine. 47. The cardiac glycoside commonly given by parenteral route in emergency. Option A, quabain, B, digitoxin, C, digoxin, and D, milrinone. Correct answer is option A, quabain. Question number 48. The angiotensin receptor antagonist used in hypertension. Option A, captopril, B. Enalapril, C. Losartan, and option D. Nifedipine. Correct answer is option C. Losartan. Question number 49. Insulin is usually given to diabetic patients by which route? Option A. Oral, B. Intravenous, C. Intraspinal, and option D. Subcutaneous. Correct answer is option D. Subcutaneous. Then question number 50. The drug of choice for the treatment of typhoid fever is? Option A. Erythromycin, B. Amoxicillin, C. Chloramphenicol, and option D. Nafcillin. Correct answer is option C. Chloramphenicol. Again, question number 41, 48 and 49 are also discussed in the preparation classes. Question number 51. The stabilizing agent used in making formaldehyde solution. Option A. Methanol, B. Ethanol, C. Propanol, and option D. Ascorbic acid. Correct answer is option A. Methanol. Question number 52. Which chemical is given in conjugation with isoniazid to avoid its neurotoxicity? Option A. Ascorbic acid, B. Riboflavin, C. Pyridoxine, and option D. Thiamine. Correct answer is option C. Pyridoxine. Question number 53. Which therapeutic inactive compound is formed when beta-lactamase hydrolyzes the beta-lactam ring? Option A. Penicillic acid, option B. Penicillinase, C. Penicillamine. Correct answer is option A. Penicillic acid. Question number 54. Which of the following is a polyene antifungal antibiotic? Option A. Amphotericin, B. Tolnaftate, C. Anticinilic acid, and option D. Cephalothene. Correct answer is option A. Amphotericin. Question number 55. Fully substituted pyrimidine nuclease is found in? Option A. Chloroquine, B. Primaquine, C. Proguanil, and option D. Pyrimethamine. Correct answer is option D. Pyrimethamine. Question number 56. Paracetamol overdosage is treated with? Option A. N-acetylcysteine, B. Calcium disodium EDTA, option C. D-penicillamine, and option D. Dimercaprol. Correct answer is option A. N-acetylcysteine. Question number 57. Inhibition of GABA transaminase enzyme is mainly done by? Option A. Sodium valproate, B. Phenobarbital, C. Phenytoin, option D. Carbamazepine. Correct answer is option A. Sodium valproate. Question number 58. The antiviral agent also used in treatment of Parkinsonism. Option A. Levodopa, B. Amantadine, C. Selegiline, and option D. Carbidopa. Correct answer is option B. Amantadine. Then 59. Diagnostic agent used in myasthenia gravis. Option A. Pralidoxim, B. Neostigmine, C. Physostigmine, and option D. Edrophonium. Correct answer is option D. Edrophonium. Question number 60. The most potent mydriatic agent with longest duration of action. Option A. Homatropin, B. Tropicamide, C. Atropine, and D. Cyclopentolate. Correct answer is option C. Atropine. Question number 61. Drug inspectors should intimate the purpose of taking drug samples to the person concerned in? Option A. Form number 15, B. Form 16, C. Form 17, and option D. Form 18. Correct answer is option C. Form number 17. Question number 62. The first Central Council was constituted by the central government in? Option A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1949, and option D. 1950. Correct answer is option C. 1949. Question number 63. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Order came into force in? Option A. 1983, B. 1985, C. 1993, and option D. 1995. Correct answer is option C. 1993. That is, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Order came into force in 1993. Question number 64. If a drug contains any harmful or toxic substance which may render it injurious to health, it is called? Option A. Adulterated drug, B. Spurious drug, C. Misbranded drugs, and option D. Not of standard quality drug. Correct answer is option A. Adulterated drug. Question number 65. The number of nominated members to the State Pharmacy Council are option A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 6. Correct answer is option C 5. Question number 66. The capital necessary to maintain a minimum level of stock and for payment of regular expenses is called option A fixed capital, B revolving capital, C temporary working capital and option D permanent working capital. Correct answer is option D permanent working capital. Then question number 67. The bank launched in India for promoting the export and import of goods and services is option A SBI, option B IFCI, option C IDBI and option D Exim Bank. Correct answer is option D Exim Bank. Question number 68. The lower limit below which the stock of any item should not normally be allowed to fall is option A lead stock, B average stock, option C buffer stock. Correct answer is option C buffer stock. 69. The item which consume 70% of the total budget of inventories but represents only 10% of the total inventory are called option A items, option B items, option C items and option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A items. Then 70. Predetermined scrap is referred to as option A anticipated scrap, B administrative scrap, C legitimate scrap and option D defective scrap. Correct answer is option A anticipated scrap. 71. The license for wholesale of drugs specified in Schedule X is issued in option A Form 20A, option B Form 20B, option C Form 20F and option D Form 20G. Correct answer is option D Form 20G. 72. Anyone who contravenes any provision of the Drugs and Magic Remedies Act shall, on first conviction, be liable to. Correct answer is option C 6 months of imprisonment or fine or both. 73. Offences committed under NDPS Act 1985 shall be triable by the special court constituted under the Act where the punishment is option A more than 5 years, B more than 3 years, C more than 2 years and option D more than 1 year. Correct answer is option B more than 3 years. 74. Intrauterine devices are tested at. Correct answer is option B Central Drugs Testing Laboratory, Thane. Question number 75. Loan license is issued under Drugs and Cosmetics Act for the manufacture of drugs other than those specified in option A Schedule C, option B Schedule C1, option C Schedule X and option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 76. Inventories moving temporarily because of seasonal production are called option A obsolete items, B surplus items, C dormant items and option D scrap items. Correct answer is option C dormant items. 77. A modern drugstore should fulfill all the minimum requirements as specified in dash of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945. Option A Schedule M, option B Schedule N, option C Schedule P and option D Schedule S. Correct answer is option B Schedule N. 78. One among the following is not a source of secondary data for market research. Option A sales turnover, B annual report, C trade journals and option D market research. Correct answer is option A sales turnover. Then 79. The method in which a code is assigned to stored items for easy identification is called option A block method, B mnemonic method, C combination method and option D alphanumeric method. Correct answer is option B mnemonic method. Question number 80. The inventory carrying cost is represented by items like. Correct answer is option B, that is cost of insurance and cost of taxes. 81. Satellite pharmacy, a mode of drug distribution system under option A charge floor stock system, option B centralized unit dose dispensing system, option C decentralized unit dose dispensing system and option D individual prescription system. Correct answer is option C decentralized unit dose dispensing system. Then 82, automatic stop order is used for option A, OTC drugs, B, dangerous drugs, C, orphan drugs, and option D, counterfeit drugs. Correct answer is option B, dangerous drugs. 83, absorbable switcher is. Correct answer is option D, catgut chromic 2/0. Then 84, tuberculin syringe is available in option A 1 ml, B 2 ml, C 3 ml, and D 5 ml. Correct answer is option A 1 ml. 85, which one is used for aspiration of stomach contents? Option A, endotracheal tube, B, Ryle's tube, C, metal catheter, and option D, rubber catheter. Correct answer is option B, Ryle's tube. Then question number 86, metoclopramide is given with paracetamol. Option A, increase metabolism of paracetamol, B, decrease analgesic effect, C, decrease onset time for analgesia. Then option D, combination is pharmacologically inactive. Correct answer is option C, decrease onset time for analgesia. Then 87, fatigue, weight loss, chronic cough, night sweats, chest pain are clinical symptoms of option A, angina pectoris, B, tuberculosis, C, hypertension, and option D, diabetes mellitus. Correct answer is option B, tuberculosis. Then question number 88, HPS-AG testing is done to detect the presence of option A, hepatitis A virus, B, chickenpox virus, option C, hepatitis B virus, and option D, hepatitis C virus. Correct answer is option C, hepatitis B virus. Then 89, amphetamine poisoning can be treated with option A, thiamine, B, ascorbic acid, C, sodium bicarbonate, and option D, ammonia. Correct answer is option B, ascorbic acid. Question number 90, if 2 or more dosage forms of same drug contain same labeled quantities of the drug, they are option A, therapeutic equivalent, B, chemical equivalent, C, clinical equivalent, and option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, chemical equivalent. Question number 91, the efficiency of HEPA filter can be tested using option A, sterility test, B, clarity test, C, dioctyl phthalate smoke test, and option D, particle counter. Correct answer is option C, dioctyl phthalate smoke test. Then question number 92, Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee has role except in option A, ADR monitoring and reporting, B, preparation of drug list and emergency supplies, option C, medical record services, and option D, drug utilization review. Correct answer is option B, preparation of drug list and emergency supplies. 93, Medline is a drug information resource categorized under option A, primary resource, B, secondary resource, C, tertiary resource, and option D, primary literature. Correct answer is option B, secondary resource. Question number 94, test for water holding capacity is stated in Indian Pharmacopoeia for option A, adhesive tape, B, elastic bandage, C, crepe bandage, and option D, absorbent cotton wool. Correct answer is option D, absorbent cotton wool. Then question number 95, clean room area means option A, socially clean area free from particulate matter, option B, socially clean area, C, aseptic area, option D, area with high standards of cleanliness and hygiene. Correct answer is option A, socially clean area free from particulate matter. Then 96, withdrawal symptoms of opioids can be managed with option A, oxycodone, option B, meperidine, C, methadone, and option D, heroin. Correct answer is option C, methadone. Question number 97, bioavailability increases when drugs are in option A, non-ionized form, B, ionized form, C, crystalline form, and option D, hydrated form. Correct answer is option A, non-ionized form. Question number 98, insulin-induced hypoglycemia is classified under option A, type A adverse drug reaction, B, type B adverse drug reaction, C, type C adverse drug reaction, and option D, type D adverse drug reaction. Correct answer is option A, type A adverse drug reaction. Then 99, a method to improve patient compliance is Option A, patient counseling. B, proper packaging and labeling. C, simplification of medication regimens. And option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Then the last question, serum sodium level is. Correct answer is option C, 135 to 145 mmol per liter. That's all for today's session. Please write your suggestions in the comment box. Bye for now. Thank you so much.